Hi guys. Okay, I'm sorry we haven't been updating videos lately. So this is a DIY. Hope you enjoy. So the first thing we'll be making is an LPS bow. It looks like this. Really easy tutorial. And second of all, we'll be making a collar, which is this. Second tutorial. I hope you enjoy. First, you will need a piece of ribbon or fabric. That is about this long. Sorry for background noises. Super sorry. But then you grab this. You fold one right there. And you fold this one like that. And then the second one like this. So it should look like this. Next, you need loom bands or rubber bands. You get the loom band, put your finger there in the middle on it, and then you start going around. I'm sorry, I can't really film it that well. And around like that, and then one more time around, and let go when the rubber band looks like that, and you pull that one in there, so it looks like this. And you fix it, everything that's wrong with it, or if there is anything wrong with it, and then it looks like this. Now, you need to grab your second rubber band. So you need two. And you go to the back side of your rubber band. Of your bow, or will soon be an LPS bow. And you put your second rubber band through that tiny little notch right there. Like, pick a notch or whatever, because there's tons of them, because you wrapped it around. And then you pull it through. So it will look like this. Around that. Then you grab one of those and put it under the other one. Like, grab it, put it under, and you grab it from under, and you pull really hard. Once you're done, you see that it will be twisted right here. So you need to untwist it like this. Pull it back, and one more time, pull it back out. Then you're done. And that's your bow. And let's get a model and try it on it. Looks a lot like this one, doesn't it? Sorry, guys. Mom gave me something. It was actually a nice gift. So I'm gonna go get my model and put it on. Okay, so here's my model. She will be trying this bow on, and I'll show you it. That second tutorial is really easy. So I need to cut some extra like fluffy stuff off of the bow because it was in the way of the model eyes. So there. So got my bow like that. Put it on like so, and there. That's what my bow looks like on a model. So that's what the bow looks like. You may use it when you're done, and it's really fun tutorial and super easy. Next one is a collar. So the first thing you'll need is, let me kind of all the rings. in the comments below what this is again. It's like fluffy and it's like it has metal inside of it. So yeah, you get one of these and you curve it like a neck should have been curved. Curved. Like that. And then you cut it. So you need scissors too. Always use parent supervision for this part. Okay, so here's the neck thing, and it's super easy, and I'm going to put it on the LPS now. First I need to take off this different necklace thing. It's also a different one too, so is this necklace, but we're not going to be making that today. But here's the final look of the mod. So it looks like a fully outfit with my clothes on. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and click like for more.